Now, I'm going to give you a choice here. In Gravit Designer, the Strategies and Techniques Part 1, I'm going to add probably a couple more here. But when I made this with something in particular in mind. And when I go to the complete tutorial, now the reason I made this mission originally was to have you complete a tutorial that's somewhere at the end of one of these links that allows you to follow along with someone else. But it's not enough just to replicate what someone does. Use those skills and create a different version of what they're doing. And in the documentation, I want a link to whatever tutorial, wherever you found it for Gravit, that gives credit to the individual who made it, and that link better open up in a new window, and your work. You know, if you're replicating a tutorial, show me the replication and show me your original take on it. And for a little extra bonus loot, did you find any gotchas in the tutorial? Things that didn't seem to work exactly as they said, and you figured out a workaround? Okay, that's one way to solve this problem. That's the simplest way. The second way is I'm kind of a do-it-yourself kind of guy. I like to explore and try things. And you saw those vertical lines that I showed you. That window, Gravit. Maybe I don't have it open still. Okay, but you saw those. This is my own take on that. And I couldn't figure out how to do this in Gravit. Now I think I know how to do it, but I did it in Photoshop and I did it in photopea.com. And so now I'm going to turn around and try to do it in Gravit. And then I will write my own tutorial for op art. I love this stuff. I used to do this with pen and ink, make my own. Things like this took forever. This could easily be 40 hours worth of work. And I won't go into it right now, but because I'm doing my own thing, I have to write my own step-by-step tutorial or record a video. You know, you can record videos too online. Why don't you search for something that allows you to do that? Screencastify is what a lot of teachers are turning towards. Screencastify. Look it up. You know, if you spell it wrong, Google will help you find it. If you want to record a video, be careful with the sound if you do that. You got to speak up really loud unless you have a dedicated microphone like I do. This thing right here, this is a boom mic, so it gives you good sound. And speaking of good, we have changed the compression for our images, so these are now far more crisp and beautiful than they were before. And you can hear Boo behind me agreeing. Yes, that's far more beautiful. So go ahead, have some fun with this. I look forward to how you modify someone else's tutorial to do something, and those of you who are adventurous enough to write your own step-by-step because you discovered something on your own, because you're a DIYer yourself. Have fun with this. Do something amazing. Isn't this cool? You won't believe how easy it is.